Let's play a quick game. Turn over your dog's favorite store-bought treat bag and look at the ingredient list. If it looks like a high school chemistry textbook full of artificial preservatives, synthetic dyes, and mysterious meat byproducts, you might want to put it down. Our dogs are part of the family, but when it comes to their snacks, they are often forced to be unrefined eaters. But what if you could become your dog's personal Michelin star chef right from your own kitchen? Welcome back to Pet Peak Studios, where today we are opening up the canine kitchen to sketch out 5 delicious, veterinarian-approved DIY recipes that aren't just mouth-watering, they are specifically designed to boost your dog's gut health, calm their anxiety, and provide hours of mental enrichment. Starting with recipe number 1, the Golden Bone Broth Gummy. All you need is 1 cup of low-sodium, dog-safe bone broth and 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin. Warm up the broth, whisk in the gelatin, pour it into a silicone mold, and pop it in the fridge for 2 hours to create a jiggly, collagen-packed treat that is incredible for joint health. Next up is recipe number 2, the Summer Pumpkin Popsicle. Perfect for hot days or settling a stressed stomach. Simply layer 100% pure pumpkin puree with plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt inside a small paper cup, stick a healthy dog biscuit in the middle to act as a popsicle stick, and freeze it for an instant probiotic and fiber boost. If your dog craves a satisfying crunch, try recipe number 3, the Oatmeal Peanut Butter Crunch. By mashing 1 ripe banana with 1 cup of rolled oats and 3 tablespoons of natural xylitol-free peanut butter, always checking the label because xylitol is highly toxic to dogs. Then roll out the dough, stamp it into cute shapes, and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. For anxious moments, recipe number 4, the ultimate calming lick mat, triggers a scientific release of endorphins that lowers their heart rate. Just smash a handful of antioxidant-rich blueberries, blend it with their favorite wet food, and freeze it directly onto a textured mat to turn a 10-second snack into a 20-minute meditative calming session. Finally, for the dogs who love to explore, recipe number 5, the On-the-Go Adventure Mix, combines dehydrated sweet potato cubes for immune health, freeze-dried single-ingredient chicken liver, and small seedless apple slices into a clean, lightweight trail mix that keeps their eyes completely glued to you during hikes or busy public outings. Controlling the kitchen means controlling your dog's health, happiness, and energy levels. And because you care so much about your dog's lifestyle, we've compiled our complete, fully illustrated cookbook, Bark and Bite, packed with over 20 additional veterinarian-approved recipes, and it is our exclusive free gift to you today. Simply head down to the link in the description or go directly to petpeak.us right now to claim your VIP digital copy for free. Hit that subscribe button for more animated pet science, and let us know in the comments which recipe your furry critic is going to review first.